This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps Lifecycle. The DevOps Lifecycle is a series of stages that bridge the gap between software development and IT operation team, fostering a culture of collaboration, continuous improvement and automation. Here you can see the lifecycle of DevOps: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate and monitor. The stage one is planning. In planning stage, where project vision is defined, requirements are gathered and tasks are planned. And in this stage, the key activities are setting objectives, defining deliverables, creating user stories and planning sprints. And in this stage, the tools used are Jira, Trello, Confluence. The stage 2 is coding. This is the stage where developers write the actual code for the application. And in this stage, key activities are writing code, reviewing the code, and merging code changes. In this stage, tools used are Git, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Third stage is building. In this stage, code is compiled and built into the executable files. In this stage, key activities are compiling code, running automated tests, and packaging code. And in this stage, tools used are Jenkins, Maven, and Gradle. The stage 4 is testing. In this stage, application is tested to ensure it functions correctly and it is free of bugs. In this stage, key activities are automated testing, manual testing, performance testing, and security testing. And in this stage, tools used are Selenium, JUnit, and TestNG. Fifth stage is releasing. In this stage, application is deployed to the production environment. Key activities involved are preparing release notes, performing final testing, and deploying to production. Tools used are Jenkins, Spinnaker, and AWS Code Pipeline. Sixth stage is deploying. In this stage, application is made available to the users. Key activities involved are continuous deployment, configuration management, and monitoring. Tools used are Kubernetes, Docker, and Ansible. Seventh stage is operating. In this stage, application is monitored and managed in a live environment. Key activities involved are monitoring application performance, handling incidents, and performing maintenance. Tools used are Nagios, Prometheus, and Splunk. Eighth stage is monitoring. In this stage, application performance and user feedback are continuously tracked. Key activities involved are gathering performance metrics, user feedback, and identifying areas for improvement. Tools used are Grafana, ELK Stack, and New Relic. Now we will see why DevOps is needed. First point is collaboration. Enhances the collaboration between development team and operation team. The second point is automation. Automates repetitive tasks to improve efficiency and reduce errors. Third point is continuous improvement. Facilitates the culture of continuous improvement through feedback loops. Fourth point is faster releases. Shortens the software development lifecycle, leading to faster releases and updates. Fifth point is quality and reliability. Improves the quality and reliability of software applications. Now we will see the summary. DevOps Lifecycle is about bringing together development and operation team to work as a cohesive unit. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring that software is developed, tested, and deployed efficiently and reliably. By understanding and implementing the DevOps lifecycle, organizations can achieve faster delivery, better quality, and more reliable software products. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.